Have you ever wondered how plants are able to capture sunlight and turn it into energy? Behind this remarkable green phenomenon of nature are chloroplasts. In today's episode, I'll walk you through what chloroplasts really are, where they came from, what they look like inside, and most importantly, the incredible role they play in the process of photosynthesis. So, what exactly are chloroplasts, and why are they so important for plant life? Chloroplasts are cellular organelles found in the cells of plants and some protists. Their main job? Carrying out photosynthesis, the process that converts light energy into chemical energy. Without chloroplasts, life on Earth as we know it wouldn't exist. You can think of the structure of a chloroplast as a kind of green laboratory, where photosynthesis takes place. To observe chloroplasts under a microscope, I chose a very common aquatic plant, the Canadian waterweed, Elodea canadensis. Its thin leaves make it easier to observe chloroplasts compared to thicker ones. The tiny green structures you can see under the microscope, those are the chloroplasts. But a chloroplast is much more than just a little green dot. It's a complex miniature factory packed with specialized structures. It's enclosed by two membranes, an outer and an inner one, which separate it from the rest of the cell and create a defined internal environment. Inside, there's a fluid called stroma, where the light-independent, dark reactions of photosynthesis occur. This internal factory also contains thylakoids, flattened sacs stacked into structures called grana. These thylakoids are essential for the light-dependent stage of photosynthesis. It's there that chlorophyll is found, the pigment responsible for capturing sunlight. But where did these plastids come from in the first place? That's where the endosymbiotic theory comes in. According to this theory, chloroplasts were once free-living bacteria capable of photosynthesis. At some point, they were engulfed by a larger cell, forming a symbiotic relationship. In this partnership, known as endosymbiosis, one organism lives inside another, and both benefit. Over time, much of the chloroplast's original DNA was transferred to the host cell's nucleus, and many of its bacterial features were lost or simplified. In short, chloroplasts are far more than just green specks in plant leaves. They're sophisticated, energy-converting microfactories that make life on Earth possible. Their unique structure and function are a brilliant testament to the ingenuity of nature.